So what comes to your mind when you hear the word Balochistan? I know most of the people will mention Gwadar Coast due to its major role in China-Pakistan economic corridor. And some people will say that Balochistan is the largest province of Pakistan by size because we studied it in elementary classes. Above all, many people will say sui gas is coming from Balochistan, and that's all we know about Balochistan. In mainland Pakistan, majority doesn't know that a small scale separatist movement is looming in Balochistan, and a significant amount of people are not happy with center because they think that they are being ignored by the center, and that's why they are angry at the center. They want their rights. There is a huge communication gap between the people of Balochistan and other parts of Pakistan, and further government is also failing to communicate Baloch people. इसमें कुछ नेशनलिस्ट और फॉरेन फंडेड प्रोपेगेंडे का असर हो सकता है कि सम ऑफ देम हैव टेकन अप द वेपन्स अगेंस्ट द पाकिस्तान, बट प्रोपेगेंडा भी वहीं होता है जहां महरूमी होती है। गवर्नमेंट को चाहिए कि बलूचिस्तान में हेल्थ और एजुकेशन के डिपार्टमेंट्स में लार्ज स्केल पर फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड करें। बलूचिस्तान में एक और बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है और वो है मिसिंग पर्सन्स। जहाँ तक मिसिंग पर्सन्स का ताल्लुक है, इसमें भी कुछ प्रोपेगेंडा और कुछ रियलिटी है। मींस जो तादाद बताई जाती है वो एक्चुअल रियलिटी नहीं है। इट इज अ सिंपल फिनोमिना टू अंडरस्टैंड फॉर पोटेंट सर्कल्स ऑफ आवर कंट्री दैट बाय किलिंग पीपल and by abducting people, they cannot control the situation in Balochistan. It will only speed up an increase of sympathizers and mourners of the killed or abducted person. And then they have to kill more and yet more. The disturbance can be escalated into a full-fledged and full-scale rebellion. An alternative counter-narrative must have to be instilled to combat with separatist propaganda. Above all, government must have to pursue for political and peaceful settlement because Balochistan है तो पाकिस्तान है।